I need to buy a new camera. Good evening. I'm here at the Wat Mangkon station. I just took the MRT and I'm gonna meet with two friends and go and check out Chinatown. So at the moment it's a vegetarian festival and officially it's been cancelled, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some nice food to be found. And Gary, better known as the roaming cook, I'm sure he knows some nice places where we can try out some nice food. And then we're meeting with Jim, who is better known as JB Wonders, another YouTube channel. And Jim I never met before, so this is the first time I'm gonna meet with him. So this is one of the 3 new MRT stations that were built here in Bangkok. Well, there's a lot more new stations, but these are 3 stations that are directly connected with Chinatown. So I'm here at exit number 1. Hello. What?
There's nothing dodgy in here.
No, is it? What? How are you, man? Good to see you, man.
Nice to meet you,
Hey,
man.
nice to meet you, Jim.
Nice to meet you.
So, let's go.
What's going on? Let's go.
Yeah, so even though it's officially should be the vegetarian festival, but we can really see that there's not a lot organized. I remember last year there was a lot of yellow flags over here. By the way, if you were wondering, these yellow flags, they prove, like these ones, they prove that this is vegetarian food. So everything that you buy here is vegetarian. So where are you going to bring us today, Gary?
Well, we're going to start at Sampeng Lane, which is one of the famous markets in Bangkok. During the day, it's like a clothes wholesale market, some electronics and stuff. But at night, at the start, comes alive with a load of street food. I'm not entirely sure what's there today, but
okay, we're on the go. So I'm here also with Jim.
Hi there.
Also known as JB Wonders.
That's me.
So now everybody wonders, what does JB Wonders?
I like to wander all around Bangkok.
I like that. So JB also has a YouTube channel, and I will put the link here below. And we need to help him get to a couple more viewers, right?
Yeah, absolutely we do.
So JB contacted me and he said he's actually making really nice content and I really like it. And your story was that you wanted to show your son how to make a YouTube channel, right?
I did. I basically said to him earlier in the year, I said to him, look, with hard work anything is possible, right?
Yeah.
But I've been starting to think recently that maybe it isn't.
No,
so
man,
I
it
just
is.
need a bit more hard work. And,
You just need to get a little bit of a push in the right direction.
Yes.
That's what we're here to do for, man.
Fantastic. I appreciate that very, very much.
By the way, look at this.
It's amazing, right?
That's always cool, huh?
Getting ready for the... Do you know about the vegan vegetarian festival?
If I know something about it, I know that it's the Return of the Dead.
Yeah, so so the 9 Taoist gods, but also
Yeah.
the original story is that back in the 19th century, there was a Chinese opera came to Phuket to like entertain the miners.
Yeah.
The whole group got sick, the opera group, and they thought they were going to die, so they went on a strict vegan diet for 10 days. Got miraculously better, and then all the locals were like, oh my god, this is absolutely amazing, let's make a festival and eat vegetarian food.
Cool.
Once a year.
And that's the same origins for the one here?
Apparently, yeah.
Yeah.
And also the 9 gods as well. So
Okay.
whichever one you like.
Really cool. So actually last year in October we were in Phuket. I will edit a little bit of footage from last year's vegetarian festival. And the one in Phuket is a bit of a different story. No, it's not a different story, but it's a different way that they celebrate it.
They're chive dumplings. These are deep
Okay.
fried. These are like steamed. They're steamed in like into like a dumpling. What's that?
Okay, there we go.
Any see one? You done?
Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับ
Kway chai is the thing that looks like a spring onion that's in pad thai, the green vegetable, and they just chop it up and.
Nice. Let's go and try it. So yeah, today it's Monday. I'm pretty sure if you were here yesterday or on Saturday, it would be more busy. I want one.
It just tastes like garlic chives.
Garlic chive jelly.
Garlic chive jelly, yeah. Oh, you want some of this?
Yeah, is that good or no?
Like, I don't really like it. It's a bit sweet for me, but
Oh, I like sweet.
that sweet dark soy sauce. Yeah, you like it?
I love it.
All right, I'll hold them. You can eat them.
No, let's walk.
How much do you love it? You love it enough to eat some more?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm. You know, I'm always honest. I won't say I like it if I don't.
Sure, yeah, me too.
That's better than usual, actually.
Yeah. See, always when you see a line, you know it's good, right?
Well,
How long have you been in Thailand?
Well, I got here in 1998,
98. Okay. Whoa.
but I went home. I married my wife in 2003.
Okay.
Went home and I thought I'd try the career thing in England. That was okay for about 4 years.
Yeah.
Went into sales director, etc. And then I just thought, you know what? I wanted my son to be he's mixed race. So it's always very important that he learns to speak Thai.
Yeah.
I brought him back for a year in 2009. We're still here.
Okay. Wow. That's a long year. Okay. Sampeng Lane.
Sampeng Lane's through there. This is the Sampeng Market.
Okay.
Sampeng Gate.
Okay.
I
know it's vegan festival, but I mean we could.
You can still get it done.
I convince you this is just tofu duck.
Tofu.
Soya duck.
You want to make me look good?
This is like a super famous Fikeaw, it's called. Like
Okay.
Super famous stir-fry joint, and it usually has loads and loads of seafood, like fresh lobsters, big prawns
Okay.
outside. And today it's all just vegetables.
Vegetables.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Well, so this is probably the only day that I like it.
Oh.
I'm not a
Yeah, you don't
seafood
know
guy.
seafood, right?
So, good job.
Good job. Yeah, it's really famous.
Ah, okay.
One of the most famous on the whole of Yaowarat.
So I need to buy a new camera.
New eyebrows.
Yeah, but officially the festival is cancelled for this year. So there's just a little bit going on. I think this is only for the local people that live here in Chinatown.
Under 2 years ago, I've always been pretty good. Oh, yeah. There's something like that. I always tell people that. I don't have to look at I'm walking inside my walking.
ครับ
ป้ายมันขายดีนะเนี่ยอยู่ตรงเนี้ยทำไมคะนี่แต่หนุ่มๆกันจริงอ่ะ
Okay, so this place is called Ek Roled Noodle or Ek Way Jub, and it is one of the most famous street food places in Bangkok for rolled noodle soup and crispy pork. And this is actually the busiest I've seen it now for about a year. It used to have queues down the street every night.
Yeah.
Then COVID hit and it really wasn't busy, but today is actually semi-busy. But still, like, this is now the best time to come down here and try this. It's awesome.
Cool. Let's have a look. So I've been here one time with Art in the early morning. Okay, so we just had a look here. The reason why we came here to Chinatown was just to see how it is faring now during the vegetarian festival, and I just thought it was a nice update. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding Chinatown. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. You know I'll keep you informed about Bangkok and everything in Thailand. And see you guys in my next video.